Hey, how are you doing? Today I'm back with another reaction video for Vidbir 2025, and this song is called Birds of Prey by Ziferblat. Okay, so you know that name, that group name, reminded me the Azerbaijani word for Zafer and that Russian word that I don't want to even say that, blood. Okay, so let's get started. Mm, inviting. The ah ethnic singing, that Slavic throat. It's gonna turn out to be the wow. Are they gonna sing in a chorus like this? I knew that coming. Yeah, a soft male voice. Okay. It's kind of mixture of different songs. Okay, I would rather call it the mix of Belarus 2017. You know, the joyful vibe of that song. Then it's an American pop line. When the chorus enters, it feels like a Shum Go A song, one of Go A's songs, and Polish songs from 2019. Yeah, it's a rock guitar now. It's solo guitar here. I like this part, to be honest. Yeah, it's gripping. It's a call. It's a call for a lover to stop. Okay. It's a bit messy in a good way, you know. Unpredictable. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Good one. That girl is singing that part, that high note. Impressive. Okay. It has a soothing, that romantic vibe somehow on it. Okay, let me sum up the song now. Truth to be told, I didn't get anything at all from the song, from the structure. Well, because it's not something that we hear daily in our lives. It's not a pop, it's not a like emotional ballad. It's rather a mixture of different genres. I won't call it a cultural fusion because it contains elements from Ukrainian folk songs, Slavic folk singing, you know what I'm saying, that chorus part singing in a loud pitch. And then it contains some instrumentals, modern instrumentals, drums, kicks, and guitars. Well, yeah, that's a mixture, like a cultural celebration. I appreciate that, but am I impressed musically? Not. I hate to say that, but it didn't have that big influences on me, on my mood, and you know, I couldn't just realize the song at all. Like, what is that? How can I sing that? Like, it got finished that moment, like a minute ago, but I cannot sing it now because, as I told you, it was a bit unpredictable and Like it didn't have a structure, clear structure which you can memorize and sing there. The chorus part wasn't memorable either. The only thing that I remember was the chaos, like the chorus coming from one side, then the male voice in a high pitch, then deep voices. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. Well, will I like it in future? Maybe yes. Maybe today I'm not just in the mood to listen that song, but I don't know. Will I ever listen to that again? Will I want to play that music again? I guess no. But don't forget, they're just my opinions. No offense, I still love Ukrainian people and we are standing with you. So hopefully everything is gonna be very, very good for all of us in general. Yep, that's it. That's all I have to say for that song because I don't have much to say. So don't forget putting your comments down below. What do you think about Ziferblat and his song, their song? It's a band, I guess. Yeah. So also please do follow us on our social media, Instagram and X. That's all about it. If you don't want to miss anything, you can be subscribed to our channel and you can turn on the notifications down there. All right, see you next time for another song. Love you. Bye.